everybody! We have a double unboxing today, so I'm very excited. I could really use something that's uplifting my mood these days because there's just so much happening in the world, and being just at home all the time, being working from home all the time, I really miss that human interaction, and it's been bringing me down so much. So I did a little bit of a shopping therapy. So we have two boxes that I'll be opening today. I ordered a card holder. I've been looking for a card holder, mainly because this card holder that I'm using as a main wallet, when you stuff so many cards in here, it gets really hard to take the cards out. So I decided to take all my healthcare cards out and put them into a separate card holder. So I'm really picky when it comes to card holder. So I finally found the one that I liked. So that's in here. And I ordered one of those key pouches, Louis Vuitton key pouches that are always out of stock. It's just like impossible to find them. But by chance, I came across one day I came across that it was available, so I just ordered it. So let's open this. I'm really excited. This is kind of like making me happy. I know it's a little thing, but I could really use something that will lift up my mood. So yay, finally they're here. This is this tiny card holder, so I'm surprised that they sent it to me in this big box. So this is a receipt. See, this is like tiny little box that they send it in this ginormous box. So I found this Saint Laurent card holder. This card holder is also very limited in availability. Usually it's always sold out, and one day when I checked it, it was back in stock, so I ordered it. And then after about 10 days, they canceled the order, saying that it wasn't available anymore. So I was really annoyed. But then a day after when I checked it, it was back in stock again, so I reordered it. And this time they sent it to me, so I'm excited. It's in this really nice little box. Let's open it. Ta-da! Yay! Oh, it's just so adorable. Okay, can probably guess which card holder I ordered. Ta-da! Oh, it's beautiful. It's so gorgeous. The hardware is beautiful, it's shiny. The leather is really high quality. I'm really picky when it comes to card holder because I want it to be in certain a design. So I really like the design where there's two slots here. Oh, it's pretty stiff. Two slots on the front and two slots on the back, and then the middle pocket. It's very stiff. Maybe because it's brand new. So anyway, I'm very excited about this card holder. Okay, let's move on to the next unboxing. Okay, so before we move on to the next unboxing, I went ahead and inserted the cards into each slot. So because this is brand new, it's very stiff. So it's kind of difficult to take the cards in and out because they're stiff, but I'm hoping it will loosen up with use. It should be, so it's kind of hard to take it out. It's yeah, so hopefully that will get better with use. But overall, I'm very happy with this card holder. Okay, so the next unboxing. This is Louis Vuitton. Oh, I'm excited about this key clay as well. So Louis Vuitton's usual beautiful orange box, and I believe this is the receipt. I actually ordered a men's collection. Let me just undo this. There we go. So I ordered a men's collection color because I mean these key pouches are impossible to get. They're always out of stock, and this was available. Oh, it's beautiful. I really love this silver hardware. I hope this is not made in USA. I don't know, for some reason, I think a lot of people feel the same way, that because Louis Vuitton is Paris company, I prefer getting a product that's made in Paris or maybe Italy or Spain, but I just never really wanted to get a product that's made in USA. So let's see. I hope this is not made in USA. Oh, this is made in USA. I don't know. Let me just, I was like sniffing the smell. It doesn't, I heard from some people that for some reason made in USA product has this like chemical smell. And I think they are right. It kind of smells a little chemical. So if you look at inside, it doesn't say made in USA, it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. And is there a day code on this? Maybe there's no day code. Oh, I see a day code, but it's like it's right in there, right along the seam line, so it's kind of hard to read. But the day code says, I can't read it. It says SD. I don't think you can see it. It says SD 2220. So it was made in, I guess, 22nd week of 2020 this year. So it's newly made pouch. I'm glad I ordered this men's edition because I think it's beautiful. I just wish it wasn't made in USA. Well, it doesn't say anywhere on the product itself. It's just there's this insert that says made in USA of imported materials. Yeah, it says cowhide leather lining, but it doesn't smell like leather for some reason. My other SLG that are made in Spain and made in Italy, they smell really good. They smell like leather, but this one doesn't smell like leather to me. It smells chemical, is that a word? I don't think that's a word. Sorry about that. It smells like a chemical. It's beautiful though. So I guess I'll still keep it because it's impossible to find these key pouches. So I think I'm going to keep it, and I really love the silver hardware. I think the Monogram or Damier Ebene print, they're usually gold hardware. So I really do like the silver hardware. So even though this is made in USA and doesn't smell as good as I expected, it's kind of weird that I'm smelling it. But I think it looks really good. So I think I guess this is a keeper. Okay, anyway, so that's my today's unboxing. Maybe I'll follow up with a detailed review or wear and tear and stuff if you guys are interested. So please let me know if you wanna hear more about these two products. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.